Good morning, my sweet boy. How are you? You ready for breakfast? Here you go. Alright, I hope my life ends up making sense. I'm filming 2 videos. Ooh, it's dark. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Let me turn the light on. Oh. Okay. Yeah, so what was it? I hope my life ends up making sense. So I'm filming 2 videos at once. I'm filming a vlog and I'm filming like a day in the life type a video, which might end up just being like a sit down informational video because I was talking a lot. I was talking for like 20 minutes straight in my last clip. But this cold is whooping my tail. It's just whooping me. But I do want to go ahead and go to Goodwill really quickly. And drop those glasses off. Because if I don't go now, I'm not gonna feel like going later, and I have other things to do. So let me put my comfy thing on. I need my Crocs too. I'll just wear these. It's gonna be real quick. Levi, I'm not gonna bring you because this is literally just gonna take like 10 minutes. We turn my computer off. Use my 15 break. Get that going. Let me show y'all. It's 10:26, so we got 15 minutes starting now. Where my keys at? I'm a little crazy, but I don't care. Well, let me put some pants on. I forgot I don't have pants on. I'm tripping. Let me put these on real quick. Do you know what today is? Excuse me, Levi. I got my keys. Go drop this off. I'll be back, Poochie. Keep the glasses. Ooh, it's cold. That's one thing. When I finally do move, I'm not living by Airbnb again. Folks are tripping. Getting all that noise. Alright, let's go. We'll drop this off real quick. Right, did that. See my little bag up there? And we're done, just like that. That was real quick and easy. Okay, let's go home this way because it's like way too much traffic to try to go home. They got the road closed. They're doing, I don't know what they're doing. I think they're like redoing the roads because, you know, Atlanta's hosting the World Cup this summer. So they've been trying to make everything look real nice and clean. So I'm not even gonna try to go that way. They got the cops sitting over there. I don't want no problems. Alright, I made it back home. Let me see. I got like 3 minutes to spare. I told you that I wasn't gonna take nothing but a second. Well, 2 minutes to spare. I don't know, can you see that? It's 10:39. Yeah, let me go back inside the house. It is cold as I don't know what. And it's supposed to snow this week. Well, this weekend. So I actually need to place a order for groceries to make sure I have everything that I need. Ooh, we are working today, honey. Y'all tell me why another one of my meetings got pushed back. It got pushed back to this Friday. Oh, I was just talking about how much I hate Friday meetings. I have this new, what is it, tripod for this camera. It's kind of hard to open, but I'm about to make a little TikTok and a YouTube short. You know what's been stuck in my head? Y'all seen that video of Krishan singing, talking about some, I'm praying God to help me through these hard times. It's funny, but it's not funny. Let me get out. I'm high-key very, very corny. Told myself I was gonna block it today. Is what she looks like. Let me show y'all. It's 11:25. This is right around the time I figured I would get hungry. What's that? Oh, yeah. Please. And I need to refill my bottle actually. Because one thing with this chia, one day I'm going to put that back up. I just needed my step stool and I just haven't done it yet. As a matter of fact, it's on my mind. Let's do it now. Now that I've filmed myself, I never realized how chaotic I was, but now I see. No wonder I was anxious. Always got something going on. Yeah, this is my. I could just use this for my phone because my other camera, I think I just want to use that for pictures instead of video. I filmed it short, so now I can edit that and upload it. And this is actually really good, and it's good for you. It's fiber, it's protein. For the bodysuit I have on today, it needs like a wee bit more fabric up the top. Yeah. I'm gonna be on this chia pudding. I think I've been on sweet potatoes for breakfast, but I think I might do this for a little bit. Like alternate between the two. I'm so sad. I have my paycheck set up to where I have a portion of it, my fun money. Oh, I did get paid. I was about to talk trash. I thought they didn't pay me. Okay. First thing first, I'm a Brillis. Right now, well, what was I about to say? I was about to tell y'all, like, sometimes, ever since Capital One switched to having their debit cards by or through Discover, I don't get paid early. Usually, Capital One pays me like 2 days early because I have a portion of my check sent to Capital One, then I have the rest in the Navy Federal. The one that's sent in Capital One is like I could do whatever I want money. I usually use that for like groceries, my Amazon purchases, like TikTok shop, stuff like that. And then my bill money is what goes to Navy Federal. So I get my fund money. I'm supposed to get like 2 days early. They have not been paying me 2 days early. I've been like last pay cycle, I got paid the day that I was supposed to get paid. This time I got my paycheck 1 day early. So maybe next pay cycle they'll be back to the 2 days, but I don't really like it. And I was considering actually changing banks because of that. I want my fun money early, but I need to place my order. I did say that I need to place my order for the for my groceries for the week. Levi has a lot of food, so he'll be good. I don't think he'll need anything. Yeah, he's good. I do have some stuff from Amazon for my hair that I want to order. That cart's at $54. And just make sure I'm not getting nothing foolish. That's the point. Yeah, because these are things I actually need. Okay. Let's see how fast. I got Prime right now. Say my name. Say my name. Say my boy. You better say my name. $57 is my total. Oh shoot, I could get this today? Oh, a part of it I could get today. I think I'll just do everything on Thursday then, because I hate split shipments. Alright, place that order. So my Amazon order for my hair stuff will be here on Thursday. Kroger, let me audit this list because I was building it out. I just want to make sure what I get is what I actually need. I'm not getting things just to get it. But if it snows this weekend, the roads are going to be iced up. At least until Wednesday, probably. One of my items is no longer available? What are they talking about? What's unavailable? Is it the sweet potatoes that's unavailable? Why would they be unavailable? Ah! Okay. My Kroger total is up to $96. Yo. But I got sweet potatoes, I have pads, I have some zero sugar soda, I got some cream of wheat because I've been craving that, I got frozen pizza, I got some cake mix and cake icing. Paper towels, I got some more chai tea, I got more bananas, some popcorn, some white cheddar pretzels, some more yogurt, salt, and eggs. If I buy, let me see, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get that stuff. Let's see, when can I get this bad boy delivered? Oh, excuse me. Do. Okay. But what's unavailable? Oh, the pads. God dang it. And that was the overnight ones. Those are the ones I wanted. Hold on. I don't know why it's saying that that's not available. Oh, it depends. Okay, so I get it. It depends on when I place the order. So if I place the order for tomorrow, the pads will be unavailable, which is stupid, but okay. The paper towels, if I get it delivered tonight, but I could replace those. They trying to charge me more. Girl, hold on. Let me look for some different paper towels, because they got me bent. I wonder when they're going to put the new Wicked movie on streaming. Is that what I had? The Sparkle brand? Or I had the Kroger brand? Hey, stop that. Okay. Let's see. Because if I could get this delivered tonight and be through... Oh, they took away the delivery for tonight. Bastards. They're so weird for that. Okay, but I could get it delivered tomorrow night. I don't know why I just got so upset, y'all. I'm so sorry. Okay. Let me make sure I have the right card information. Alright. Got that taken care of. So one thing that I didn't tell y'all, because I didn't tell my mom yet, but I finally told her. Last weekend, not this most recent Sunday, but the Sunday before, I saw my dad for the first time in like a decade. What was it? It's not been a decade. No, it has been a decade. Yeah. Wait, did my light just die? Okay. Yeah, I saw my dad for the first time in like a decade. We had breakfast together. It was really nice. I was glad to see him. Cause it's been like for the last few years, it's always been like in the back of my mind. I didn't want him, cause like he's getting older. I didn't want him to like pass away, and I never spoke to him again. Cause like we briefly reconnected after I graduated from high school, but it just, how do I want to say this? I didn't stay in contact with him. I think at the time I just wasn't like fully ready for that, and it's always been on my mind to like reach back out to him. But yeah, found him, we exchanged numbers, we had breakfast together. Really happy about that. But yeah, I don't have like I don't want anything out of it, but I have peace of mind now. Cause one thing that I kind of always regret, oh, my light is dead. That's the problem. But let me charge her up. Okay, why the heck does it keep dying on me? My bad. Unlimited. Okay. It's cool. I'll use this light. This one should be charged up real nicely. Shoot. All my lights dying at the same time. Girl, what's up with that? Okay. Let me get you. Is this fine? Okay. Looks a little weird, but we're going to have to make it work. Where was I at? Oh, yeah. Something I did always regret. His mom. Well, both my grandmothers passed in 2015. The one on my mom's side, I saw her, like, when she passed away, I was sad, but, like, I didn't have any regrets. Like, I spoke to her often. His mom, I didn't speak to her often, and I remember growing up, like, she would call us and, like, basically, she would just tell us, like, don't forget about her, like, asking us just to call her more. And, like, I was a kid. I wasn't a kid. I was a teenager. I was in high school. But anyways, yeah, I don't know, like, I think I didn't consider the fact that one day she would pass away. But anyways, like, she ended up passing away, and I hadn't talked to her. And that was something that I kind of always regretted. So I don't want to have that regret with anybody else in my life, regardless of, like, obviously, if I don't like a person, then, like, I don't care. But I don't know. I feel like my feelings towards my dad are complex, but I don't hate him or anything like that. And that's the point. I didn't want to not talk to him because I don't have any ill feelings towards him. Basically. But yeah. I don't know why it's taking me. It's because I'm talking. Now I keep talking for long periods of time. Let me eat my food and I'll come back to y'all later. This is gonna be a long vlog, child. Hello, people. It's been like 2-3 days. It's Thursday night right now. Child, they sit here talking about this winter storm is coming. I ain't worried about it. I got a bunch of sweet potatoes. Hopefully I don't lose power, because if I lose power, I don't have a gas stove. I'll be screwed, but whatever. I got this. I don't even know how many are in here, but I just ordered a bunch of potatoes from Kroger. Okay, they gave me 2 big bags in this one. Right in the little guy there. Yeah, I'm gonna roast some things up. Probably won't cook them until tomorrow. And I'm so sick in the head. I'm on sweet potatoes bag because I have this bag still from Walmart that I bought. But where's my phone? I had to go get these packages from my package locker. Just ordering stuff because I wanted to do my hair. All of these things were things that I could have purchased. Let me move it out back. And where's my other light? Is that better? Barely. I need a big old ring light because my house is just dark. But yeah. All these things, what was I saying? I ordered things. I was like up late one night on Amazon thinking about what I wanted to do with my hair. And I was just putting stuff in my cart because like it was the middle of the night. I wouldn't be able to go in person and buy anything. Plus I live in Midtown and I still don't know like a good hair store near me. All the good ones that I like are on like the south side of Marietta. There's a good one in Hiram, surprisingly too. But I don't know if it's a good one near me. So I was just like, you know what? Let me put together an Amazon order. So I had a bunch of stuff coming today. Then I got some other stuff coming tomorrow. When I locked my hair last year in January, I gave away all my hair tools, all my supplies, because I was like, this is my hairstyle. I'm not ever going to need it again. Just me end up cutting my hair off. So here I am, like a dummy, having to rebuild my hair things. This stuff be costing, man. Had to get a flat iron. I have like a super small one that's meant for your edges, but I needed like a 1-inch one, so I got the Tymo one. It's pink. Let's see. Yeah, she's cute. So that should be sufficient until I start to really grow my hair out. This is a relaxer. It is what it is. Look like somebody's trying to open this one. Okay, so I accidentally bought 2 flat irons. I'm gonna have to return one of them. I already opened so I'm gonna return this one. I already opened the other one. What's this? I just got a new headscarf just to have it. Also, got some heat protectant. Like I said, all of these are things that I could have bought in person, but it was the middle of the night. I got this wrap cap. Got some Lysol cleanser. You want this box? The last package. This is coming. I got a little wax stick. And then I got some hair. These are clip-ins, so that's why it looks so petite. It's just 18-inch clip-ins. That's all I got for now. I got some more things that are supposed to come tomorrow. Let me check. Okay, I got some more hairspray. You know, I was watching a TikTok and this hairstylist, I never knew this. So the spray heat protectants are what you use on your hair when it's wet. When your hair dries, you're supposed to use another heat protectant, but it needs to be the aerosol one, so that way it doesn't wet your hair. So I've got some, it's basically the same brand, but it's the aerosol kind. I have that coming tomorrow. Then I have a new tripod for my camera coming, because the one I currently use is like too big and bulky for me to use out in public. So I just want something more small, because the camera itself is super small. I don't need this big long shebang bang. So yeah, I think I'm actually gonna do a video of me doing my relaxer. I followed into the Pixie/Bixie haircut propaganda. I have fallen victim to it. I don't know how it's gonna look, so that's why, just in case, I got 2 packs of clip-ins. And if that still don't work out, I'll just slap a wig on top. I don't care right now. Like, I care about my hair, but I don't care for real. It's just so exhausting having to always care about your hair. But I didn't really do much today. I didn't work today. I took off. I had to bring my mom to her doctor's appointment. Let's go right here. Yeah, I had to bring my mom to her doctor's appointment. Went over there. We ate lunch together. We got some snowstorm groceries. That's another thing. I got 1 thing of drinking water. This is honestly for Levi. I don't care about the snowstorm. All I care about is that I get to work from home for a few days. Let me take this off. This is my outside jacket. I don't care about none of that, honestly. I also think I feel like this because I've been kind of sick these past few days, so I haven't been feeling like myself really. I'm just like, I'm better, but I'm not 100% like all the way there. Today, like by the time I got home, I took a very, very long nap. Like super long. But if the snow does what it says it's going to do, and I get to work from home these next 2 weeks, please, I am going to be in my P's and Q's. I'm going to film a lot of things, not just vlogging, like actual sit down videos. I like vlogging because I like talking to myself, and I like just seeing what's going on in my life, like watching it back. But that's not always so interesting when people don't really know you for anything else. So I'm gonna film other types of content. Oh, I got a headache right now too. But this will be Levi's first snow. I'm definitely gonna take him outside. Levi, you never open your birthday stuff from Nene. Come on. I just realized I'm not a bad dog mom. I'm an amazing dog mom, actually. Come on. Come up here. Your Nana got you a birthday present. Let me set up. Let me sit down. And you make me say, come on, Poochie. Let's see. You got things? What's thing number 1? Dang, hold on. Look at this cute sweater. You could wear this if it gets really cold in the house. Do you like it? Is it Levi approved? Yeah. She got you some puppy dog bones even though you a grown man. One of them is bacon flavor, chicken flavor. And this one's just an actual treat. This one. And then she got you some birthday cake. Would you like a piece of cake now? I don't think I filmed me celebrating his birthday because I was super sick. So I guess this is good that I did this week. Boom. Happy late birthday to you. Happy late birthday to you. Happy late birthday, dear Levi. Happy late birthday to you. Love you. These are birthday vanilla flavor little treats with sprinkles. See if he likes it. His tail is wagging. Let me show y'all. He don't really know what to do with it. Oh, you want some privacy? My bad. Yeah. I think he wants me to leave the room while he eats. So let me go back to mind my business. And yeah, I gotta work tomorrow, but it's just remote work, and I think I have one meeting. Let me check. I had one meeting scheduled when I left Wednesday afternoon, but we'll see how things, because people have been treating me bad. They've been canceling on me, rescheduling, acting like they don't want to talk to me. Oh. That's another reason why I want a different thing, because like sometimes the angle is just too high. But while I turn my laptop on to set this up, y'all, so the Ulta Beauty World tickets went on sale. That was on Wednesday, they went on sale. I just knew, I already had my hotel booked. I knew for a fact I was going to get a ticket. I just knew I did. It was never a thought in my mind that I wasn't going to be able to get a ticket, because I was just like I knew a lot of people wanted to go, but I'm just like, I'm going to get a ticket. Y'all, I never even made it to the screen to try to purchase a ticket. They did me so wrong. Okay, clearly I missed something today, but whatever. Let me get off of here because I just kind of annoyed myself. Tomorrow, I'm gonna film, well, I'm gonna vlog for real tomorrow. What was I about to say? I'll have more packages to open, and I have my doctor's appointment tomorrow at 1. So hopefully my little tripod comes before they. If not, we're just gonna be tripod-less, because I'm vlogging, I don't care. And we about to vlog to see how this winter storm goes together. He's eating a treat, he likes it. He crushed it up, so it's like in pieces. I don't know. He has help. Yeah, he likes the treats, but I'm so annoyed. When I wake up for work tomorrow, I'm literally gonna lock in for like 90 minutes and just respond to everything, because I hate whatever. I'm not even gonna say that, but I just hate when ish don't make sense. Like sometimes I feel like I'm the only one thinking. Whatever though. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, I need to get a map for my camera, but let me turn this down. Happy Friday, it's a new day. I am on my way to my doctor's appointment. It's literally right down the street from me, but I just want to get there early. One, because I don't know what parking is like, because you know Midtown is crazy. I need to just make sure. And then 2, since I'll technically be a new patient, I don't know if they're gonna want me to like fill out any extra things, so I just want to make everything everything as seamless as possible. Also, my tripod won't be delivered until later tonight, so I just gotta hold my camera and keep my big fat thumbs out the lens. So we shall see how that goes. I love this camera because it's so small, but like holding it, I have big hands, so it's just like, oh shoot, I did not see him. Child, almost hit that man. Might edit that out. I don't know what's wrong with me today. The lady driving bad, ain't it? But yeah, I'm gonna catch up with y'all when I get to the hospital or to the doctor's office. Okay, I'm so glad I gave myself some extra time because I could not find this building to save my life. But then all of a sudden I saw it clear as day, so I'm about to go inside and let them know I'm here. So I only see one person, so hopefully they're not super busy and they'll make me late. Hello? I unexpectedly have to get my pap smear today. I wasn't ready, but I'm just gonna do it. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all, I am all done with everything. What is he pointing at? It was cool. I did, I think I told y'all in the last clip, I did not plan on it, but I did have to get a pap smear today. So I got cranked open and I got my blood drawn just to, you know, get some testing done and stuff. But it was a good visit. They were super nice in there, so I'll definitely stick with this doctor. My aunt actually found her for me, so I really, really appreciate that. I am hungry because I haven't eaten yet today because they wanted me to fast just in case. But I don't have time to stop and get nothing to eat because I have a meeting at 2:30 and it's 2:06, so I gotta hurry up and get home. Yep. So I'll probably end up doing my usual sweet potato and egg thing after my meeting. And then one thing she did say was that my pressure was elevated. She was asking, do I have a history about people in my family having blood pressure? So like I told her, and she wants me to get a monitor and just monitor my stuff. She gave me like a whole bunch of resources for like different things. We had a really good conversation about a lot of different things. So I'm gonna do all my follow-ups and stuff. I almost didn't want to get the pap because I was like, let me just go to a gynecologist. But I don't know, she just made me feel really comfortable. So I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and let you do it. So that way, like, if anything comes back, I'll already have that done. She was like, the only way, she was really nice. She wasn't forcible. She was like, the only way she feels comfortable letting me leave without doing one was if I promised to book my appointment right then and there. So like, let's just go ahead and do it. I would have booked the appointment, but like, I don't want to make her feel like I'm not, you know, doing what I'm supposed to. So like, let me go ahead and go ahead and do what I'm supposed to. Well, let her do it. So that way that's just one less thing off of my plate. But yeah, I gotta keep this on for a little bit because they couldn't get the blood from my arm. They got it from my hand. It didn't hurt though. I did get poked in this arm, but it didn't even bleed. And she was like, she didn't want to keep poking and poking. But yeah, that was quick and painless. Just get your annuals done if you haven't done them already, guys.